My name is Jeevika. I am studying 5th standard in A section. Now I am going to show you my garden. Let us start from my favorite plant. This plant is a climber. I think you know while seeing this itself. And in this, a flower is bloomed. This is called Adikkusangu in Tamil. And this is by layer. It will be little big and it will be purple color. And this is Tulasi. We know it is a medicine plant. And these all are brinjal plant. The last month it came very beautifully. 7-8 brinjals came. But now it is in fungus. If rainy season comes, it will be nice. And this is like an indoor plant. The flower will be very beautiful. And that was a brinjal plant. It came full of fungus and the leaves were full of fungus. So we cut it. And this is a plant, very big plant, and the flower is also very big. Now you can see the bud, and tomorrow morning it will be bloomed as a flower. This flower will be very big. And this is also my favorite plant, the rose plant. It is in pink color. This flower is hibiscus and it also came full of fungus. So my father cut it. Now let us go there. And this is called Arali in Tamil. And this color is Ajanta and this color is pink. And this is also Gundumalli, type of jasmine. And this is also Gundumalli, and my mother loved this plant. And this is drumstick plant. I think that you already know this because in many houses it will be. Now we are going to see indoor plant and plus medicine plant. There are medicine plants and there are many indoor plants too. This is Tulasi, aloe vera, money plant. This is called Vettalai. Let us go to car parking and we can see many other plants. And come. This is Areca plant. In Tamil also they will say Areca plant. There are two Areca plants. They are couples. And this is a type of jasmine. They will say Jadimalli. And now let's go there. This is also the Vettalai plant which I told you in the terrace. And this is Pavaramalli plant. And this is very favorite plant to the Lord Shivan. This is the yellow plant and this is the indoor plant. And in this yellow plant there will be beautiful yellow flowers. Last few months only we planted this, so flower didn't came. Now let us see my balcony plants. And these all are indoor plants. This plant's name is Tuja. And this plant's name is arrowweed. And this is a common plant, you already know it. And this, I think this you will see new. This is croton. And these all are the same plant and that also the same plant. It is arrowweed and this one is red arrowweed. And these are my money plant and here golden money plant. My favorite plant is this too, Tuja. This is the bathroom plant and this was kept my favor. And this is also indoor plant and this is arrowweed. This is bamboo plant, my favorite. And this is also an indoor plant and its name is money plant. I think you saw many plants from my garden. Thank you.